So, di ba yung WePH magkakaroon ng upcoming event dito sa Siargao. Ano ba yung mga pag-uusapan doon sa Siargao? Or ano ba yung mga topics na i-share nyo, ituturo nyo sa kanila? Ano ba yung madidiscover nila dito? And ano yung mag-transform sa kanila after the retreat sa Siargao?
So basically, we have different topics, each one of us. For me, it is more of healing your inner self.
Ako naman is there are 3 levels of self-awareness. Ang unang awareness, level 1 is how you see yourself. And number 2, level 2 is how the people see yourself. And the number 3 is how you were, kung ano ba talaga yung binigay sa'yo ni Lord. Kung ano ba talaga yung inborn sa'yo, your talents, your strength, weaknesses, and everything.
Me, ako naman ang magiging abundance coach. I'll teach more on how to bring more abundance for you.
And ayun, so another bonus pa in Siargao, if you can still join us, mag-book na kayo, di ba? And we are sure na talagang there will be a transformation. Plus additional bonus, I will also be there. I will also teach you how to become confident, di ba? Confident as a woman. And that's it. So, welcome. Yan, so WePH and
See you in Siargao on May 21 to 25. Bye!